Okay. Today with us, Zsombor Piros, former number 3 of the ITF Juniors. You are now into quarterfinals. How do you feel about your match today?
Thank you. I feel amazing. I think I was not playing good in the past few weeks and months, and now this tournament can be a comeback and a breakthrough for me. So it was a very solid match today. My opponent played very great, so I was a bit surprised that the score was a bit
Easier than you
easier
expected?
than what was the intensity of the match.
Okay, great. Your next opponent is Alessandro Giannessi. He just won against Nino Serdarusic. How do you feel about him? Are you ready for the match?
I lost him twice. Last two matches. He's a very tough player. He can play 5 hours in a row without any problems. So it will be very tough, especially on clay. He likes clay more than me, I think. So it for sure it will be not a short match.
You are the hardcourt player because you also won Australian Open, right?
Yes, I like more hardcore than clay, but I played more matches on clay, I think, when I started to play tennis. But yeah, now I like more hardcourts.
Okay, it's your first time in Zadar. How do you feel about the hotel here, the Falkensteiner Punta Skala hotel?
Last year I was here.
Ah, you were
but
here as
such
well.
a such a short time, just 2 hours, and I went home. So,
Okay, we will not count it then.
okay. Yeah.
How do you feel about the resort here? You like it here?
Yes, it's amazing. I mean, you can do whatever you want here. It's very nice on the beach, and this hotel is like one of the best I have ever been. So I'm very happy about the whole place.
Very good. As you mentioned, you were last year here, but only for a few hours. Did you manage to see the city this time or not yet?
Last year, especially no, but yeah, I had 2 days between these two matches, so we went into the city center to have a dinner with my coach and my friend. So we already spent good time, and I hope in the future this week or also.
Very good. What are your expectations for this tournament?
After such unlucky period like the beginning of the year, I just looking forward for my next match without any expectations, because my last 5 match was terrible. So I just happy to be in the quarterfinals, and I want to make a revenge for Giannessi.
Very good. We wish you good luck for this tournament and hope to have you here a little bit longer.
Thank you so much. Thank you.